Hey scientists, how's it going? Happy spring break! You may notice I'm dressed in my workout clothes and not my scientist clothes because we are getting ready to do some dinosaur yoga. Did you know that's what scientists do on spring break? True. So to help me out, I've got Bridget and Dexter right here. My doggy scientists are ready to work out with us. Now, every one of our moves is going to be the name of a dinosaur. And I don't want you to worry about doing it right. I just want you to have fun. Promise? All right, let's get started. We are going to move into DownwardDryosaurus. Put your hands out. Step your feet to the back. Stretch out that back nice and straight. Go ahead and hold it for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Walk your feet towards your hands and roll up like a Spinosaurus. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh yeah, thanks doggy scientist. Go ahead and squat those legs, make sure you're nice and low. Oh yeah, thanks Dexter. Put your arms out. Hey, Papa, come on. Come on, Papa. Come on. Put your arms out. You're going to move to the side like a Brontosaurus. Hold it there for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. See if you can reach some veggies, some leaves on a tree to eat with your hand. Okay, let's do the same. But this time we're going to be a Brachiosaurus, another herbivore. Reaching for those leaves, trying to eat some dinner. Hold it for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now, we're going to straighten up and fly like a pterodactyl. Get those arms out. Reach them to the back. See how far away you can get them to go from your body. If you want, you can even move your legs. Now do that for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right. Now, we're going to get real big like a Gigantosaurus. Move your legs out to the sides. Moving slow. Making your arms nice and big. Ooh. Keep going for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right. Now we're going to be a Tyrannosaurus. We're going to run after some prey. Get ready to run in place. Come on, Tyrannosaurus Rex. Run in place. Another name for this dinosaur is the T-Rex. Try and catch that prey. Go, 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 go. Run, run, run. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, let's calm it down and move into Velociraptor. Shoulders back, legs together. Pretend somebody zipped up your legs. Put your arms out to the side. Make a V with your body. Take a deep breath in and out. Hold it for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yes, there we go. Now we're going to hang over like a Stegosaurus. Hang over like a Stegosaurus. Hang down low. All right. Go ahead and bring yourself to a seated position on the floor. In circle, we call this crisscross applesauce. But in dinosaur yoga, it's called an Oviraptor. We're sitting on our nest. We're keeping our little dinosaur eggs nice and warm, making sure our back is straight, our shoulders are back. And we have a chance to catch our breath. Deep inhale and an exhale. One more time. Last one. Real big breath, as big as you can make it. Oh, hi, Bridget. All right, let's lay on our back like Bridget. and do a Charonosaurus. Lie on your back. You can wiggle out your legs, lie down low, and be nice and calm like a Charonosaurus. Lie there for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. When you're ready, go ahead and sit back up. Give yourself a high five. You did it. You just completed the Dinosaur Challenge with yoga and scientist Diana and doggy scientist Bridget and Dexter. Thank you so much for participating with us today. If you liked the Dinosaur Challenge, please share it with a friend and challenge them to do a dinosaur workout for spring break. Thanks for watching, scientists. See you next time. They did so good,